Confidence. It's a powerful word and even a more powerful feeling. Can you remember a time in your life when you felt confident? A time when you felt unstoppable, on the top of the world. Now imagine you could feel that way more often. What impact would you have on your health and well being, your career, and your relationships? So, how can you be more confident? Here's your complete step by step guide. First, be specific. First things first, let's get specific. In order to overcome that weakness, you have to know your weakness. Where do you lack confidence? When do you feel self doubt? Where do you feel your skills or abilities are limiting you? Where would you like to have more confidence? Once you get specific, it won't feel so overwhelming as you will have something tangible to tackle. Second, avoid comparing yourself with others. In almost every case, when you compare yourself with others, it takes a form of negative self talk about how you are not good enough. Doing this weakens your self confidence. The only person you need to compare yourself is the version of yourself that you want to become. That's it. Third, take care of your body. It's hard to feel good about yourself if you are abusing your body. On the other hand, if you practice self care, you know you are doing something positive for your mind, body, and spirit. And you will eventually feel better, more confident. So start eating right, exercising. Remember, take things slow, changes take time. Fourth, trust your capabilities. No one in the world knows everything. Everyone is good at something and not so good at others. Don't weigh your security against what you know or can do. Weigh it against your willingness and capacity to learn. If someone criticizes you, take it as an opportunity to improve. If someone does better, then you see it as an opportunity to learn from them. If you fall short at something, realize you can get closer next time. Don't worry if you are not confident in what you can do. Be confident in your potential. So, here are 4 ways to be more confident. There is no magic solution that will suddenly make you more confident person. But when you focus on making consistent and small steps, you can transform yourself from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, building momentum. Just keep taking actions and you will feel more and more confident with each positive step. Thank you for watching.